Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I've got a fun one for you today. We're still on that brand new Blackstone Leggero. I'm gonna show you how to make a simple garlic cheese bread pizza. Dough time. I have this Neapolitan style dough. I just used this for a couple of Blackstone videos. Gonna put a little bit of semolina flour on my little dough scraper. A little bit of flour down on my table. Getting really unseasonable weather here, mid-December at my house in Colorado. Look at this, I'm outside enjoying the beautiful weather. So down with our Neapolitan style dough. I used the Delalo kit for this and I proofed it overnight in the refrigerator. Worked out really well. Start out with some melted butter. The easiest way to do this is to probably use my old friend, the garlic paste, but you could obviously use fresh garlic as well. Give it a little mix and voila, we have garlic butter, but I always like to add a little bit of dried basil in there as well, basil or oregano. I like it for flavor as much as I do for the fact that it gives a nice contrast. And it couldn't be any more simple. Down with the garlic butter. Gonna spread that around my dough. Could be dried oregano, dried basil. You could put red pepper in there. And my old friend, the Galbani whole milk Italian style mozzarella. I chopped it up into little cubes. This cheese is the best. It's hard to find around here. Around here we have King Soopers, Sam's, Costco, Safeway, Walmart as far as groceries. We can only find it at Safeway. Safeway is the only one that has it. So if you can find it, that Galbani Italian style whole milk mozzarella. If you remember from my previous Leggero video, we have it heated up. It's on high. The stone is rotating. And one thing I may or may not have mentioned, you can actually cook with the door closed on the Leggero. Because it is small, Leggero apparently is the Italian word for light. It's light, it's small. We need to contain heat, so you do have the option of cooking with the door closed. So typically I'll start with the door closed and then I'll open it up about halfway through. Of course, if the door is closed, it is gonna cook a lot quicker. You have to keep that in mind. Gauge shows we're super hot, 800 degree temperature there going on. Let's open up our door, turn the stone off, crank the heat down to low, otherwise we will burn our pizza. And we're gonna shimmy it into the stone like that. Rotating stone back on, and we're gonna close the door. It's actually really difficult to film a pizza video because they cook super quick, like 90 seconds to 3 minutes maximum. So it's really hard to get enough footage for a video. So it's cooking fast. I can smell garlic cheese bread. It's probably been at least a minute and a half or so. Let's go ahead and open up the pizza oven. It looks good. We're gonna go ahead and stop the stone and we're gonna check it out. Woo-wee! Oh man, looking good. My goodness. First things first, if you want to, you could certainly grab a paper towel and dab off the extra butter. You do what you want to do. Thinly slice some basil to sprinkle on top. Take a look at that. Ooh-wee. That's the Galbani, by the way. That whole milk mozzarella. There is no other stretch that's better. There's nothing like the Galbani. Let's give it a try. Beautiful little air pockets. I'm surprised at first. I'm expecting red pizza sauce, and instead I get the garlic bread. So this reminds me of a really good garlic bread that you'd get at a really good pizza place. Only you'd pay about $20 for that. That's outstanding pizza. Now, it doesn't need to be an appetizer. This doesn't need to be garlic bread before your pizza. You could just have that one night. That with a salad, exceptional. Again, it's all about that Neapolitan style crust. So thanks for watching, everybody. That was really fun to make. I'm excited to bring you more pizza videos in the future. Make sure you're watching my Let's Give It a Try show over on Blackstone social media every week. Literally 52 weeks out of the year after year, I have a brand new episode, and I'm all over the western states, the Rocky Mountains, cooking on the Blackstone griddle, cooking in a Blackstone air fryer, cooking with a Blackstone pizza oven, all kinds of stuff. We even have a pizza party show over there. Me and the other griddle pros do our best to bring you some good pizza. So hopefully you like this. Please leave me a thumbs up down below. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Neapolitan style garlic cheese bread pizza. Look at that crust. Looks perfect.